friends, today is a directions video for Wednesday, April 22nd. Today is actually Earth Day, so make sure that you click right here on this planet to see what Earth Day is all about. For spelling, you should read your words on the next slide and then complete the word sort activity on Google Classroom. The words are right here. The word sort activity is right here. For reading, there are two videos you need to watch before you begin. This video gives you the directions on how to do your assignment. We will be using a passage from ReadWorks because we have not used it in class yet. This video, very important. You need to watch it so you understand what ReadWorks is. Then you will go back to Google Classroom. When you go back to Google Classroom, there will be an assignment right here that has ReadWorks. You will click. When you click on that assignment, it will take you to a page that should look like this. It says choose your account. Choose the one that looks like your name. Say yes, allow. And then it will pull up the assignment. Okay? After that, you do your brain break, your centers. Remember that I can see what centers you do, so if you say that you do Dreambox, I can look and see if you actually did Dreambox. Please make sure we're being honest. We'll do science. For science, you will be watching the video and then completing the Venn diagram assignment. The Venn diagram assignment looks like this. And you are comparing and contrasting caterpillars and people. Anything that only people have goes here. Anything that only caterpillars has goes here. And both go here. Okay, make sure you watch Miss Connolly's video because it gives more directions. After that, you do specials and you complete your end of the day check-in. All right, guys.